Welcome back to Kids Toyland! Today we're going to learn farm animals and colors. Red. Let's put a couple drops of red in our water. 1, 2. Red. Red. Yellow. One, 2. Yellow. Yellow. Green.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some
1,
ducks,
2.
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere.
Green.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Green.
And on his farm he had some sheep,
Blue.
E-I-E-I-O.
Blue.
Here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm,
2.
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm,
Blue. Blue.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer
Horse.
in the dell.
Brown
Hi-ho, the
horse.
daddy-o, the farmer in the dell.
We're going to put the brown horse in the red color.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
Brown horse. Brown
Takes the
horse.
child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho,
Red.
the dairy-o, the wife takes the child takes the nurse.
White
The child
sheep.
takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the
White
dairy-o,
sheep.
The child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o.
Yellow.
The nurse takes the cow. The cow takes
White
the dog.
sheep.
The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cow takes
In the
dog.
yellow color.
The dog takes the cat.
Black
The
and
dog
white
takes the
cow.
cat. Hi-ho, the
Moo.
dairy-o. The dog takes the cat.
Black
The
and
cat
white
takes the
cow.
mouse. The cat takes the mouse.
Put him in the
Hi-ho,
blue
dairy-o. The
color.
cat takes the mouse.
Black and white cow.
The mouse
Black
takes
and
the
white
cheese.
cow.
The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The mouse takes the
Great
cheese.
job.
The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands
Pink
alone.
pig.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cheese
Pink
stands alone.
pig.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o.
Wink, wink.
The cheese stands alone.
Pink pig.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Put him in the green.
And on his farm he had a cow,
Red.
E-I-E-I-O.
Yellow.
Here
Green.
and there,
Blue.
there, everywhere.
Horse.
Old MacDonald
Sheep.
had a farm,
Cow.
E-I-E-I-O.
Pig. Thanks for joining us. Hope you have a great day. Bye.